As a traffic management apprentice in the inbound cargo section, one of the most important aspects of our job will be to receive classified, pilferable, and sensitive assets.
When handling these types of assets, it's vital to remember that security and accountability are of the utmost importance. To ensure that these assets are kept safe and accounted for, we utilize AF Form 4388 Inbound Transportation Protective Service Material Worksheet.
Here are some steps to take and things to know when shipping and handling classified, sensitive, and pilferable assets.
Before the start of any packing and crating procedure, ensure the proper personal protective equipment, PPE, is being used. All cargo movement personnel working in the warehouse must wear safety toe boots. Gloves and eye protection must be accessible at all times and be used when required. If you find that your PPE is not in the condition suitable enough to provide the protection required or is not serviceable, it must be replaced.
At the time of delivery, an authorized traffic manager will begin completion of AF Form 4388, Inbound Transportation Protective Service Material Worksheet. This worksheet provides a breakdown of how to in-check or receive Transportation Protective Service shipments and ensures that certifiers verify that applicable guidance is being followed. At a minimum, the following procedures must be checked for mill strip items.
Does the movement document match the item received? Verify this by reviewing the shipping document and inspecting the actual asset. Match the stock number and serial number that is on the actual part to that which is on the shipping document. Discrepancies must be annotated on the shipping document.
Is the shipment free from overages, shortages, and damages? All shipments must be thoroughly inspected. Overages occur when the quantity on hand is more than what is indicated on the shipping document, while shortage occurs when the quantity is less than what is indicated. Annotate shortages and overages on shipping documents. Observe the asset for visible damage, such as dents, broken edges, or rattling sounds when moved. You may ask for assistance from your supervisor or the inspection section of the material management flight as needed.
Has the rep ship been received prior to shipment receipt? Communication regarding classified items is needed for safeguarding classified assets and mission success. This is why a report of shipment, known as a rep ship, will be completed for all shipments. This is a notification to the recipient that a classified asset is on its way. This rep ship can be sent automated through the Cargo Movement Operation System, CMOS, or manually via email or fax.
Has a shipment been received by the RDD? Timely delivery of classified assets is important to mission security. Therefore, if an asset is not received by the required delivery date, which is annotated on the rep ship, immediate tracer actions must be indicated and the security officer must be notified.
When all applicable checks have been completed for this section, the in-checker will print, sign, and date their name in the space provided. Each section must be certified by a staff sergeant or a technical sergeant with a skill level of 7 or higher before proceeding to the next section. Verification by this person is important in ensuring that all required steps have been completed.
Remember that positive control of these shipments must be maintained at all times. This means that the asset must be within view of an authorized traffic manager at all times. Whenever the asset is not being handled or shipped, promptly return it to the appropriate vault or cage for safe storage.
When handling classified, sensitive, and pilferable assets, security measures and constant accountability must be maintained for the safety of the U.S. military missions and that of its members.
This concludes the basic training for the Air Force Form 4388 Inbound Transportation Protective Service Material Worksheet. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you all as traffic managers in the operational U.S. Air Force.
And remember, it just won't go
without TMO.